think when people think about dog fighting, they think about the actual act, the 30 minutes, the 60 minutes, the 90 minutes of the fight. But I would imagine that the roughest part of being a fighting dog is not the fight. It's the time in between the fight, living in isolation, on these chains, in really, really sad situation.
We're here today to announce that federal criminal charges have been filed against 2 Kansas City men who are alleged to have been involved in a multi-state dog fighting events. The criminal complaint alleges that the defendants owned as many as 60 dogs, mostly pit bulls, that they trained and they took to various fights around the state and the country. We are very grateful to the ASPCA for their agreeing to house and care for these dogs. They have provided a place, veterinarians, and animal helpers to assist us with these 70-some dogs that we now have in our possession, and we truly appreciate their involvement.
The morning we got there, it was snowing, it was cold. We came over the ridge, and these animals were living unprotected outside. It was a very eerie, kind of haunting place. And what really sticks out about all of them is, how excited they were to see us, and how friendly they were, and how much they longed for, the human touch that wasn't, somebody screaming at them to fight.
Oh, who's this little baby, huh? Who's this baby? Who's this baby? Who's this baby? Yeah.
I'm extraordinarily excited for these 100 or so dogs that will never fight again, will never be bred to fight again. But I also know that it's a drop in the bucket, that dog fighting is everywhere. It's pervasive. It crosses socioeconomic lines. It crosses ethnic lines. It's urban. It's rural. It's all over this country. And I know that as a society, we need to take this more seriously than we have. And we need to enlist the resources of law enforcement around the country to end this barbaric practice.